Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute carrot spring sign. So I grabbed one of these blank signs from Target Dollar Spot. They're $3. Some scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. It's orange with white dots. A package of the cutout carrots from Dollar Tree. Some boxwood. Some buffalo check ribbon. Some white chalk paint, some green paint, and some brown wax. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my sign and I'm going to use the brown wax on just the frame. So I'm going to put the wax all the way around the whole frame, and as I put it on, I'm going to wipe it off as I go. So I'm just going to put it on, and then I'm going to take a paper towel or a baby wipe and wipe off the excess. Once the frame was dry, I took the white chalk paint and I'm going to paint the whole inside with the white chalk paint. And you just have to be careful around the edges not to get it on the brown wax. But if you happen to, you can just take a baby wipe or a cloth and wipe it off. And then you could add a little brown wax if needed. Once I have the sign all painted and it's all dry, I'm just going to set it aside. And I'm going to take my carrots and I'm going to paint the very tops of them all with the green paint that I picked out. You can use any color green paint. It's totally up to you. I used a little bit of a darker green to match the color of the boxwood. So I painted all three of the carrots tops. Next, I'm going to take the carrots and I'm going to lay them on top of the scrapbook paper that I got and trace them, and then I'm going to cut them all out. Once I have all three cut out, I'm going to take them and Mod Podge them onto my carrots. Once I have them all covered with the scrapbook paper, I'm going to take that boxwood that I had and I'm going to snip down the ends of them, and then I'm going to hot glue 3 or 4 of them on top of each carrot. So this is going to kind of be the carrot stalk. So I'm just going to take my hot glue and I'm going to lay, I think I used 4 pieces for each carrot. And I'm just going to lay those on and hold them until they dry. Once those were dry and secure, I'm going to take some twine and I'm going to wrap it around the underneath of where we just put the boxwood. So I'm just going to take it and wrap it around that little edge right there. And I just wrapped it around, I don't know, 5 or 6 times, hot gluing in the back to start, and then I'll hot glue in the back to end. Now that I have the twine all the way around, I'm going to take some of that buffalo check ribbon, and I made a few little bows out of it. And I'm going to hot glue that bow right underneath the boxwood, right on top of the twine that I wrapped around. And look how super cute these carrots turned out. I absolutely love them. And once I have all 3 of them done, I'm going to take them all and I'm going to hot glue them to the center of the sign I got from Target. So I'm just going to start with the middle one, and I'm going to hot glue that one right in the center. And then I'm going to hot glue the other 2 on either side of that one. And I just think these turned out so stinking cute. So once I had them all glued on, I kind of realized that they looked a little on the plain side. I wanted something else on the sign, but I didn't want to add any more bows or anything like that. So I grabbed one of the metal spring signs that come in the Easter section, and I'm just going to hot glue that right to the carrots. So I just hot glued it right on the middle underneath, but not on the wood, but right onto the carrot. And I think that was the perfect finishing touch for this project. I think this just turned out absolutely adorable. I love the way it looks. It's so bright and fun and just screams spring. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.